So you should now have a white top with the top layer is also correct. And remember what I called a short T. We're now going to make the second layer. And for this, and from now on, the white will always be on the bottom. Now if the white's on the bottom, we know that since this yellow center never moves, that the rest on the top will be yellow. And in fact, if you look around your cube, you'll notice that all your corners are yellow. Why is that? Well, there's only 8 corners to a cube anyway. Those 4 are all solved, so the others must be the yellow ones, they're just in the wrong place. So what we're looking for is a centerpiece that is not yellow, like this one here. And this one will not stay here. Why? Because it's got no yellow on it. So we're going to make it a long T. And we're going to get this one to fall from here into this spot here. It's going to fall down. Now if I show you on my quick image, it's going to fall from here down to the side here. And I call this the torch move. And there's only 2 moves that you then have to undo, and 2 more moves that you also have to undo to remember. And the important thing is where you want it to fall. So hopefully this image here may help you, but I will also show you visually. So we want this one to fall here. So what do? We turn it away from where we want it to go, the side up where we want it to go, and then we undo those 2 moves. Undo, undo. If we've done it correct, we get this what I call a little mini torch. 2 pieces that are exactly the same color, top and bottom, and a white end, like a torch. We turn the torch towards the light, spin the front face up, and that will then get us 2 whites on the side here. And we undo those 2 moves. Undo, undo. And by magic, it's dropped in. So let's run through that again. We find one on the top that's in the middle that's got no yellow. Here it is. We make it a long T of the color we want. So here it is, blue. It's red, so it's going to fall this side this time. So it's going to fall the different side. What do? 2 moves. Turn the top away from where we want it to go. Side up where we want it to go. And undo those 2 moves. Undo, undo. Do we see here? Here's my torch again. 2 pieces, matching colors, and the white light on the end. Turn the torch towards the light. The front face up, so you get 2 whites on the side where you want it to go. And undo those 2 moves. Undo, undo. And there it is, dropped in. Let's repeat this. Here's another one on the top that's got no yellow on it. Make it a long T. Where do you want it to fall? Well, it's red, it's going to fall this side. Top away, side up, undo, undo. There's my torch, towards the light, side up, undo, undo. Another one dropped in. 1 more to go. Where is it? So that's yellow. There it is. Long T, orange. It's going to fall this side. So what do? Turn the top away from where you wanted to go, side up where you wanted to go, undo, undo. There it is. It's in the right spot. The torch. Torch towards the light. Front face up. Undo, undo. And if you've done it correct, we've now got 2 layers completed, all of the right colors. And then we'll move on to step number 4.